In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Additional Settings. Now select one-handed mode over here and use gray switcher to activate it. After your switcher turns blue, follow all of those instructions to use one-handed mode. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!